Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. So in this question we have three sets of sketches given to us. This shows some pure molecular compounds of water, that is H2O. These are some pure molecular compounds of water. So by observing this sketch we need to say that what happens when this is at 192 degrees Celsius, what happens when this beaker B is minus 15 degrees Celsius, and what happens to these molecules when the temperature is 53 degrees Celsius, and melting point of water is given as 0 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of water is given as 100 degrees Celsius. So we need to drag the slider. So here we have dragged it to here. Here the slider is at 3 and here the slider is at 1. So now let's see what happens over here. So we can say that at 192 degrees Celsius, at 192 degree Celsius, what happens, the temperature, this water temperature is in the gaseous form. So we can say at this temperature water is in gaseous form, hence each molecule of water move freely in the air. So here we can say hence each molecule of water moves freely in the air. So here as we can see that in this beaker, in A, here the water molecules are moving freely in the air. Why? Because these molecules are in the gaseous form at 192 degrees Celsius. Now let's see what happens at minus 15 degrees Celsius. So here we can say at minus 15 degree Celsius, what happens at minus 15 degrees Celsius? At this temperature, water present in the solid form. So here at this temperature, water molecules H2O is present in the solid form, and there is crystal and pattern of molecules formed. So this happens at the minus 15 degrees Celsius. What happens? The water molecules are in the solid form. So here crystals are formed here at point B. Now let's see what happens at C when the temperature is at 53 degrees Celsius. So here we can write down when the temperature is at 53 degree Celsius. So here we can say when the temperature is at 53 degrees Celsius, at this temperature water is in liquid form, hence there is a case where the H bonding and a little intermolecular attraction can be seen. Little intermolecular interaction, or we can say intermolecular attraction, can be seen in this. So here we can see there is an intermolecular attraction at point 53 degrees Celsius. There is intermolecular attraction between these molecules. So this is what happens at 192 degrees Celsius, minus 15 degrees Celsius, and at 53 degrees Celsius. I hope the concept is clear. All the best.